paano niyo nagpo-position yung services ninyo sa podcast na malapit siya sa revenue line?
Sa podcasting kasi for me, it's more of getting leads and conversions as well.
Okay.
Kasi like for example, may mga existing listeners na si podcaster. So, kumbaga more convincing on that part, mako-convert na. And also for attracting new leads din, new listeners, ay andiyan din kami para tulungan yung client namin.
So there's actual conversion that happens through podcasting?
Yes, kasi ito sinabi ng client ko before, meron siyang nakuhang student sa course niya kasi course creator din 'tong client ko, na na nalaman siya nung student niya through her podcast.